Hey diamonds, it's your girl Sadia. I'm back with another tutorial on eyeshadow. So I already did my face. I'm going to start this look by putting some concealer on my eyes, my eyelids. And this is by Too Faced, Born This Way. I absolutely love this. Now I'm going to use this flat brush from MAC just to kind of smooth out the inner corners. Now y'all know Anastasia, they're like some of my favorite eyeshadows, especially this Jackie Aina palette. So you saw me shake off the excess eyeshadow on this brush because I've already done my face and I cannot risk any fallout getting on this foundation. So the eyeshadow style that I'm going for in this look is a halo. And you'll start to see the halo form as I get more into this look. Now I'm going to use this small dome brush and do the same exact thing on the other side, creating that halo. And this color, I believe, is Fudge out of the Jackie Aina palette. Absolutely love it. And this also, this halo, it kind of hides the hood in my eye. And you'll see as I look up. So just using that same color, and I'm just using a flat smudge brush to go underneath my eye to give that area some definition. All right, as I work in my inner corner, I don't make that brown as rich as I do on the outer corners. As you can see, as I work this brown in my inner corner, you can see the halo effect starting to come in. So you start with the halo to kind of frame your eyes. Right now I'm taking my tissue and I'm just cleaning the brush off because I want to go in with a darker brown and I want to add some depth to this. Can you see the difference? And just add in that deeper brown in my inner corner. Now what's left of that brown, I'm just moving it toward the center. Now this is a clean brush because I don't want to muddy up the colors. So this is a clean brush and I'm just using that to bring together both of those browns. Uh-oh, technical difficulty. Okay, I'm back. I had to get my nose. It's allergy season, y'all. I'm sorry. I sanitized my hands and I kept going. So again, that's just a clean brush. This palette is Zova, and I bought this from Ulta. Sorry, Ulta. So again, since I've already done my foundation, I did not want to risk this pigment to fall out on my face and mess up my foundation. So I just use my finger and I just pat that color on. Also in between, like I use a little napkin and I wipe my finger off and I just gently press that color in. So next I'm going in with a matte color to kind of bring together that brown and this. I don't even know what to call this color, because if you look at it, it kind of looked like a burnt orange, but then it kind of looked pinkish. I don't know what to call it. Just call it cute. So I want to kind of brighten up the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm using just a pretty gold, and that is from that same palette. Now here I am reinforcing my colors, because when I kind of looked, as far as what the camera looked like, it really wasn't picking up the brown as rich as it really is in person. And that's the hard part about, makeup on camera, whether you're taking flash photography or video. Sometimes the camera don't pick up on the beauty or the detail of certain eye looks. So again, I'm adding a little highlight to the center of that eye. Those who follow me know I love to play with depth and highlight, whether it's the face or the eyes. Right now, I'm doing a little liner, little cat eye liner with Cole Cosmetics felt tip pen, which is my own. You can check that out at sadiathemua.com. Shameless. Y'all. I hit the wrong part of my liner. I'm trying to do this liner cute because I don't want no fingerprints on my face, and I want you all to see it. And I'm having a hard time. But I'm going to come through for the win on this one. Y'all, I had to come out of retirement. I had my little sister help me to part my hair, and it was like a team effort braiding this hair. I've never had my hair in an updo ponytail. I think I like this. I thought I was too old for it, but I guess not. So right here, I'm just putting a little mascara on because I'm going to put some falsies on. I have absolutely nowhere to go but upstairs, but be cute. If you're stuck in this quarantine, keep it pretty, baby. Next, my brows. Now, for this look, since I'm only going upstairs, I don't want to do anything too dramatic. So I'm just taking my angle brush and my Morph palette, and I'm just using the browns that's in there. So these are really just eyeshadows. And I will show you, I have the deeper brown that I'm using toward the tail of the brow, and the lighter color brown, that I'm using at the beginning of the brow. I just didn't feel like doing no pencil or brow dip. I'm like, hey, I'm just going upstairs. I want to do something nice, simple, nothing too harsh on the brows. And I think this eyeshadow did that thing. Ew. Look, that was a shout for victory. Like, I'm almost done. So that's what I use on the tail end of the brow. That brown. And this brown is what I use at the base of the brow. Just so it could, so it won't be so dark all the way through. You see that brow, y'all? You see that? I know some makeup brands try to market brow powder, but honey, go to your eyeshadow palette and use what you have. Use what you have. These are from the hair store, but I can't put these on camera, y'all. I get nervous. So I did that off camera. So now I'm just doing a little detail to the bottom of my eye, near my waterline. The deep browns that I use for my eyebrows, I'm using that up under my eye. I don't really like black eyeliner under my eyes because I like my eyes to feel like look open. So I use dark browns. I'm just touching up my eyeliner. Y'all, your girl, I almost took myself out on this one. My eyes was dry. I'm trying to find these lashes. I almost took my eyeball out. All right, y'all, this is the look. I hope you all like it. I hope it's easy for you. If you try it, let me know. in the comments. Send me some pictures, whatever. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and try to stay cute in this quarantine. All right, y'all. Deuces. Oh yeah, I forgot. I added this pink lipstick to this look. What do you think? Ew. All right. Bye.